You're manifesting like an idiot. You're doing it wrong. And I don't mean just a little wrong, I mean completely backward. If you've been trying to manifest and nothing is working, it's because you're making this one massive mistake. And the worst part? You don't even realize it. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's stopping you and how to fix it, fast. Think about it. How many times have you said, "Why isn't my manifestation here yet?" Or, "I've done everything right, but nothing is happening." That right there is the problem. You're attached to the outcome, you're constantly checking, doubting, and waiting, and what does that energy create? More waiting. Here's what no one tells you: the universe doesn't respond to what you want, it responds to what you are. Right now, you are someone who is uncertain, anxious, and lacking. And so, what do you attract? More uncertainty, more anxiety, more lack. Let me ask you this: have you ever seen someone who effortlessly attracts money, opportunities, or even love, while you struggle just to see small results? It's not because they work harder. It's not because they're smarter. It's because they embody what they want before it arrives. They don't chase money. They act as if they already have it, they don't beg for love. They know they're already worthy, they don't hope things will work, they expect them to. Meanwhile, you're out here second-guessing, hoping, wishing, and all of that energy is pushing your desires away. You can't be in alignment with something you believe is missing. And every time you think, "Where is it? Why isn't it here?" you're literally telling the universe that you don't have it. Here's how you fix this right now. 1. Stop looking for proof. The moment you start looking for signs, you're sending out doubt. Assume it's done. 2. Feel it before you see it, embody the energy of having it now, not later. Feel rich, feel loved, feel successful. 3. Detach completely. Wanting is resistance. Knowing is power. Stop chasing, stop waiting, just be the person who already has it. When you shift your energy, reality has no choice but to shift with you. Manifestation is not about getting, it's about aligning. The second you stop trying to force it and just become it, things start falling into place effortlessly. So now, tell me in the comments, what are you manifesting? And don't just type it, write it as if it's already yours. I am financially free. I have the perfect relationship. I am living my dream life. Because when you start believing it, the universe has no choice but to deliver it.